Hello, guys. Cutting grass, scratching cash. We are back. Literally, we are back with some more 50 million blowout. We bought the beginning of this pack. I say the end because they number them backwards. And then we just got this lonely little cash blowout because it's ticket number 1. Why not? From our previous win, from our previous 50,000 or 50 million, my bad, blowouts, we went and picked up these 19 tickets. So 19 down to number 1. We're going to go ahead and scratch these off for you right here, right now. I'm going to go ahead and scratch this lonely little cash blowout. Somebody left this little cash blowout behind. Sorry, guys. And so we're going to go ahead and scratch this off for you right here. They have a mind of their own. My bad. Sorry. All right. Here I go. Now, on this one, we can get 5X, 10X, and a 20X. And I believe, I want to say I've gotten a 20X on this one before, but I'm not too sure. I believe so. I believe so. You can hold me to it, but I believe so. And it's going to happen again. If I can try to figure out why these cheapy little things don't scratch. Like, they're sharp in the beginning, and then they wear off. They're just not doing it. Or it's this material that they use on this one ticket. I don't know. Or it's the scratcher. One of the two. it's the scratcher. Let's see. Gonna start off good. Start off our 4th good. Go ahead and get a claimer, 20X. We'll take it. Whatever we get, we take it. But we gotta get something.
If somebody left one behind, it only takes one.
It just takes one, that's right. You never know.
I don't know if somebody ran the pack down or if they just came in and bought a few and left one. Never know.
No, you can't win if you don't play. Can't win if you don't play. So right now our babies are preoccupied. Did you take care of that one over there?
She's fine.
She's gonna... She'll let you know when she's not. Who's going to town, this chick?
Definitely will let you know. There you go.
And it starts.
Had to drop it on the floor, huh?
Alright.
Well, he snapped like an alligator, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. He was waiting. All right, put these hookahs are kind of my way. Here we go. All right, this is ticket number 1. Let's see if anybody ran this ticket down. 52. 52. 26. 19. You never know. 43. 23. They didn't run it down.
Hey!
All right, here we go. So we made a match, 25 and 25 on ticket number 1. And we've got $10. We'll take it. All right, we're off to a good start. And here we go. Gonna start.
It was lonely. I had to make room for the new packs that come in today.
That's right.
I done went and cleared out three slots this morning.
All right,
You know
ticket
that?
19. Yeah, I know you did. Ticket 19. Here we go with my little 50 million blowout. All right, my little outer space ticket that I do enjoy. I don't know what it is about it, but I do enjoy this ticket.
Because that ticket likes you for some reason.
It does. It does, it does, it does. So here we go. It's been good to me. Got a 5X on the last scratch. and hoping to get a 20x on this scratch. Don't be greedy. Be easy and nice. Like we tell the dogs. Go easy, be nice, and be generous. And these numbers are pretty big. Like, easy to see, but when you're starting to see a bunch of numbers all together jumbled, like, I feel like...
What did you start off at? Back down?
19, yeah.
Right.
I feel like I get kind of a little bit cross-eyed at times. Because it just kind of happens. Alright. Okay. Here I go. 53. 53. 49. 34. 25. 26. 9. Okay, nothing on this one. Moving on. There we go.
Rogues and Ruse.
18. Ticket 18. Here we go. You know where there's another one of these? By chance? Thank you. Where's yours? What's going on there? Just staring. Aw.
This one fell asleep. Too nervous.
I like when she does that. Little babies. All right, guys. Here we go. Seven. 38. 44. 21. 11. 4. Okay. Moving on to ticket 17. Ticket 17. Here we go. We start at the bottom. Let's go for a multi. This ticket hasn't given me a... Oh, it did give me a multi. The 5X.
You got a 5X right now?
No, I'm saying earlier.
Oh.
But I'm saying I need another multi.
I'll
That's
do
the first multi that I hit that.
For no reason. I was already starting to sit up.
Yeah, you sit up and you walk that way, you run that way. Because you're just like, you're so excited. You don't know what to do.
You never know. One day you're gonna scratch at 5X and there's gonna be $100 underneath it. You're gonna have a 500 out of nowhere.
I think I'm gonna pass out once I scratch that big ticket. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna run
a
out.
Video where a dude scratched 10,000 and he was kind of speechless there for a minute. He was
I'm just, I get all, you know, nervous.
He was jumbled up because he still had tickets to scratch after that, and he was kind of like.
Well, that's what I mean.
He kind of wanted to stop right there with the 10,000.
Well, I'm just saying, I probably would hyperventilate. Knowing me.
He kept apologizing to everybody. He's like, I'm scratching these tickets, y'all, but I'm still thinking about the claimer I just got. He's like, if I miss something,
33.
I'm sorry.
I'm telling you, that's probably would be me. 46. That would definitely be me. 38. 3. 17. 1.
Next one got a hit then, because that's the start of your odds. That's the odds on always have to.
Yep. Moving on to ticket 16. Come on, 16. Show us the love.
Just takes one.
Just takes one. You're right. Huh? What do you mean? I'm still haven't gotten any. I'm waiting. Waiting for that multi.
No.
21. 21.
Told you had to hit it. That was the beginning of your odds. Okay.
21, 21, Stop. 21, 14.
Who are you growling at?
He doesn't want nobody to take his bone.
There's nobody doing anything besides Coco staring at it.
15. 23. 16. 40. All right, we got 21.
Let's get some big zeros.
$20. There you go. Ticket 15. Let's go to Outlier. Feeling good, feeling good. Feeling good.
Kane, stop.
Come on, multi. Come on, 20X. Come on. 1,
Scratch off. Come on now.
9, 15, 53, 2, 46, 14.
Moving on, moving on.
Moving on to ticket 14. Let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cutting grass, scratching cash. I'd like to thank our viewers.
Do they have a way to talk to us on there?
They can message us on each of the videos, yes.
Tell us what y'all are scratching. I'm curious what other people are scratching.
What do you mean what they're scratching?
Yeah, like,
What tickets they playing?
yeah, like what tickets do they like to play? You know what I mean? Do they believe in the beginning of the pack? Do they believe, you know what I mean? Like, what do they scratch? You know? I scratch certain tickets. Mainly 10s and 20s.
Will you stop it? She's not doing anything to you. She's staring. Stop. She's not going to take it. She has her own. Jeez Louise. 24.
Y'all have to excuse the dogs every now and then.
Oh my gosh. He's growling at her for no reason. 47. She's just staring at him to his bone.
Yeah, but she
She's got her own bone.
Like, what is he worried
23. She what?
about? She fits in his mouth. Like, what is he worried about?
22. You better not be like some hawk and pick up my dog and take off. 51. $19. No. Moving on to ticket 13. Ticket 13. And here we go. I fell asleep, little one. Okay, guys, apparently this was a winner, and I missed it. So let me check these numbers again, because my eyes can go a little bit, you know, haywire.
A lot of numbers.
So I'm looking for 19. 19 is not here. Okay, I'm looking for 51. Do we see a 51? 22.
I could have looked again.
Here is 22.
Not bad.
Here we go. I got it. I got it. $10. Got a $10 winner on ticket number 14.
We'll take it.
That's why I have my handy dandy scanner. My backup eyes. Because my eyes sometimes are... Woo! I'm an old fogey. Don't say anything.
Let's just say
I'm a cougar, okay, guys?
we get discounts at a lot of places, and we're almost
Thank you for saying we. That's why you're with me, because I'm senior citizen.
I'm just saying I'm in the car with you.
No, I know, but you love it because you get all these discounts.
We're getting ready to park up front. What are you talking about?
Oh my God. You see, guys, I knew there was a reason why he was with me. Because I'm a senior citizen. Or near to a senior citizen. I don't look like a senior citizen. I look like I'm about... Be nice. Be nice. I don't look my age. Definitely don't act my age. Yep, this is my age right here. 12. Let's get an outlier, y'all. Come on. Come on, I've done it before. Back to back. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 12. 41, 41. 7, look at number 7. No, 7. 54, 54. 40, 40. 45, 45. No, nothing on ticket number 13. Moving on to ticket number 12.
Number 13, didn't it?
Ticket number 12. All right, here I go. Now, I know I said I like to play this ticket, and I will tell you why. Because number 1, it's been good to me. Number 2, I like the shiny bright colors. And number 3, because I don't know. I have to find a reason why.
I like it because I never seen anything happen like what I seen the other day whenever we had 4.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Oh, that's right. We
And
had
3 of them.
We bought 4, right?
We
yeah.
bought 4 of them.
We bought
and
4.
3 of them hit like good. 1, 3, and 4 or something like that. Everything but number 2 didn't hit. I never seen it really hit like bam, bam, bam. Because you're supposed to be 1 and 4. You were only supposed to get 1. And you got 3 out of 4. It's crazy.
11, 51, 24, 12, 37, 9. I get 9 a lot. Okay. I will tell y'all in a minute why I like this ticket. In a minute. Here we go. Moving on to ticket number 11. Ticket number 11. Can you hand me that, please? That blue cup. Thank you. Gracious. Okay. And go.
Multi.
I'm trying. It's coming.
Y'all, this is rare right now. I just want y'all to know that while we're filming, we're sitting in the middle of a room with 5 dogs. Nobody's making a peep.
Shh, don't jinx it. I don't know what was in those bones, but everybody's like just in a daze. Ticket number 11. Let's go. 16. 11. 51. 52, 53. 47. Here we go. All right. 27. Sometimes it hits on 2 numbers. Number 9 again. Number 9 again. Hey, boo-boo. 47.
Where's my picnic basket?
$10.
Yeah.
$10 on ticket 11.
Yeah, gotta start a little bit better.
It's coming. It is coming. Ticket number 10. We're on ticket number 10. I am trying. I can't control what numbers are on these tickets.
What ticket number is that?
10.
Well, if you hit on this one or the next one, that would be an outlier because your odds don't crank back up until 8.
Well,
Yeah, 8, 2, 5, and then 4, 2, 1.
here we go. 27. 27. 8. 9 again. Gosh darn it. 9 keeps coming out. But I don't get it here. It's gonna come
You
up.
keep getting 9 on the top row?
Yes. 37.
Maybe that'll be the whammer one.
13. Yeah, it could very well be. 48. 49. Okay. Here we go. Ticket number 9. Moving on to ticket number 9. Here we go.
Maybe it was trying to tell you that ticket number 9 was going to be your ticket.
Yeah, let it be the ticket.
That's the ticket that Life Scratch went on. Ticket number 9.
Oh, yeah?
The biggest win ever.
How much did he
It
win?
never tells you. I don't know. It never says. He just says my biggest win ever. And his daughter drew a picture of a pink ticket.
Oh, he has a daughter?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
A pink stink ticket with the number 9 at the bottom.
Aw.
So she knows about that stuff already.
Oh, because I'm thinking when you said Life Scratch, I was thinking about Matt.
That's fixing scratch.
I know.
Come on, dump it on down now. Go lay
We
down.
need 55, man. We need
Go
55.
lay down.
33. 33.
Go lay down.
18. Pepper stop.
Okay, come on, man. Go lay down, man.
3.
Stop pacing. Go on. Go lay down.
Stop. 19. 19. 23.
Here, man. Take the freaking thing, man. Go on. Go lay down.
24. No. Man, I wish we could have gotten 55. 55 would have been
Oh,
nice.
you accidentally scratched the prize amount or something?
Yeah, I wish. 8. Number 8. Ticket number 8. See that? 55.
Yeah,
See that?
That was in my way.
Woo!
Multi. Speak it into existence, Mama.
Let's show me the multis. Show me the multi. Show me the multi.
The multi on this ticket. You gotta say on this ticket.
On a ticket.
This ticket. see. 28.
Here we go, guys. 38. 55. 46. 48. 33. 25. 'kay, moving on to ticket number 7. Lucky number 7. I feel like we're scratching a whole pack. I think I know we're gonna get done. Okay, show me the multi. Come on, show me the 20X. Don't hide. Come out. Come on, come on. 20X, let's go. Here we go. 31. 31. 19. See, the number 9's here. Now we got the number 9 down here. We need a number 9, remember? Was it number 9?
Yeah.
21. 21. I think number 9's our number. 52. 51. Number 7. 7. All right, number 7. $10. There we go. That was ticket number 7. $10. Moving on to ticket number 6. Ticket number 6. Come on, 20X. Gonna have back-to-back. Back-to-back wins. Do you know if Alex liked and subscribed? Or joined?
He said he did, I think. I know he said he watched some videos already. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, he's cool. All right, here we go. 41. 31. 33. 32.
You got 32?
No, I'm looking. I'm calling out the numbers. 12. 13. 14. moving on to ticket number 5. Ticket number 5. Here we go. Come on, multi. Let's go. Show me a multi, guys. Come on, 50 million blowout. We need a multi. We need a claimer. Help us out. Help us out. Here we go. Ticket number 5. 44. 24. 32. 16. 12. 6. 'Alright. Moving on to ticket number 4. Ticket number 4. Here we go. We have to get one. We have to. Just saying, as many as we got, there's got to be one
We
there.
got one off the last pack.
No, I know, but I'm saying there's got to be one in this pack. Got to be. What ticket hit on the last one? Was it number 1?
Oh, no.
Here we go. 55. 36. 33. 38. 25. 34. 34 right here. 25. Ticket number 4, $25. Moving on to ticket number 3. Ticket number 3, here we go. Winding down, guys. Winding down. Here we go. 33. 7. 29. See, we got 9 again down here, but we don't have it up here. 24. 8. 7. 31. Okay, that was. We're gonna ticket number 2. Ticket number 2. We got one more ticket to go, guys.
That'd be nice if we could squeeze one more win out of there. Multi.
For sure.
19 tickets, no multi. I mean, we're not done yet, no, I'm saying.
I know, that's what I mean. Come on, 20x. $10x too, come on. Okay, ticket number 2, let's go. 13. 13. 24. 43. 47. 6. 30. No. All right, gonna go to our last ticket. Last ticket. Ticket number 1 for the win. Ticket number 1 for the win, and then we'll close it out, guys. Ticket number 1 for the win.
No. Go lay down.
There's no need for that.
Go lay down.
Ticket number 1 is going to bring us a multiplier. Come on, 20x.
Go lay down. Not right now. No.
Stop. Both of y'all, all of
You,
you.
man. You're
Stop.
the root of the problem, though, Kane. Come on, man. Go lay down.
36. Here we go. We got a match. 36.
Sure?
Yep. 3. 32. The first number was, we got 2 matches. 23. And 29. All right, we've got a 54 and a 36. 50 bucks.
All
All right, guys. Like, cutting grass, scratching cash. Like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.